The Buddha commonly depicted in statues and pictures is entirely different person. The real Buddha was actually incredible skinny because of the self-deprivation. Cats were considered to be sacred animal by the ancient Egyptians. It's thought that the most families kept a cat as a pet, which they believed would bring the household good luck. In 1923, a jockey suffered a fatal heart attack, but his horse finished and won the race, making him the first and only jockey to win a race after death. Iceland does not have a public railway system. There are three small railways, but none became part of the public transport network. The main reason of the lack of railways are the small population, competition with automobile traffic, and the harsh environment. An 11 years old girl proposed the name for Pluto after the Roman god of the underground. No US president has died in the month of May. In every other month of the year, at least one US president has died. Wearing a blindfold for at least 12 hours can induce visual hallucination, including complex scenery and frightening entities. A scientist stationed in Antarctica managed to score a match through Tinder with a woman camping 45 meters away. In feudal Japan, lords purposely built houses with squeaky floors as a defense measure against ninjas. Official full name of Morocco is Kingdom of Morocco. It is officially named in March 1956 when the French rule was ended. While filming the movie The Beach, Leonardo DiCaprio and Tilda Swinton were stranded in the sea. When their boat sank due to the sudden storm, they spent half an hour swimming at sea before rescuers arrived. T-Rexes could not roar like people think. Instead, it did something called closed mouth vocalization, where it made this low frequency blooming sound that could travel for miles. Green tea, black tea, and oolong tea all come from the same plant. The only difference is the oxidation level of the leaves. Bizarre law of Australia. It is illegal to wear hot pink pants after midnight on Sunday. Michelin stars are awarded to restaurants, not chefs. Restaurants with Gordon Ramsay's name attached currently have 7 Michelin stars total. Over the course of his career, though he had 16 stars across his 35 restaurants worldwide. In Poland, firemen who serve in action must not have a mustache, and firemen who file paperwork need to have mustache. North Korea holds election every 5 years, but the bullets have only one option. You are left with no choice other than voting for the only candidate. The most expensive item ever bought in eBay was a super yacht of $170 million by Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich. There's a species of horsefly with a golden bottom named Skeptia beyoncija in honor of Beyonce. Best ever lines. If you want to feed the homeless, then feed the homeless. But the moment you post in the social media, you are also feeding your ego.